Hey, hello foodies, I am Poonam Bachav and I welcome you back to my cooking channel. Summer is at its peak and staying hydrated is very essential for one's well-being. To keep the heat at bay, I am here to share a very refreshing and delightful summer drink, Rose Sabja Lemonade. The drink may sound exotic, but you can easily make it at home without any fancy ingredients. All you require is rose syrup or ruafza, the basil seeds or sabja, lemon juice and mint leaves. Rose Sabja Lemonade is very eye appealing with gorgeous shades of pink that can uplift your mood on a lazy summer afternoon. It is easy on your pocket and a healthy alternative to the store-bought aerated drinks, as all the ingredients used in this have a cooling effect on your body. Make a small batch to treat yourself or a large one to serve the guest at the party. The recipe is vegan, no cook and gluten free. So let's get started.
The most obvious ingredient to make rose sabja lemonade is rose syrup. You can use the store-bought ruafza or make it at home. I am sharing a recipe using fresh rose petals. Take around 35 pink roses, preferably the organic ones that are pesticide free. Separate the rose petals and wash them thoroughly in clean water. Drain the washed rose petals, transfer them to a bowl and soak them in around 2.5 cups of warm water. Cover the bowl with a fresh wrap and allow it to cool down at room temperature. Refrigerate the bowl overnight so that all the fragrance of the rose and the essential oil gets released in the water. Next day, transfer the rose petals along with the soaked water to a saucepan. Heat it on low to medium flame. You will notice that on boiling, the rose petals shed their color in the water and become colorless. At this stage, we will add our natural coloring agent, that is grated beetroot, which will lend a gorgeous pink color to our rose water. We will cook this mixture for a while until the raw taste of the beetroot goes away. Our rose water is ready. Put off the flame and strain it in a container. Press the petals against the strainer to extract all the rose water. Now measure this rose water using a measuring cup or a glass. I have got 2 cups of 250 ml each. To make the rose syrup, we will need equal amounts of sugar to that of rose water. So I have taken 2 cups of sugar accordingly. Give it a good stir and allow the mixture to boil on low to medium heat. Keep stirring and cooking the mixture for around 10 to 12 minutes or until it reduces to half its original volume. We are not looking for any string consistency in this rose syrup. Add lemon juice and cardamom powder and give a good stir. Put off the heat. Lemon juice prevents formation of sugar crystals in the syrup. Our aromatic and flavorful rose syrup is ready. Now we will learn how to make rose sabja lemonade using this rose syrup. Sabja or sweet basil seed is the next ingredient going into our rose sabja lemonade. Sabja seeds have a natural cooling effect on our body. Soak the seeds in enough water for around 10 minutes. On soaking, sabja seeds will swell up like a gel and add a distinct texture to our drink. Now that our ingredients are ready, we will see how to make rose sabja lemonade. Take 2 tall glasses and add around 2 tablespoons of rose syrup to each of them. Next, we will add around 1 tablespoon of bloomed sabja seeds. Add a few ice cubes followed by fresh lemon juice. Fill the glasses with chilled drinking water. Give it a good stir. Lastly, top it with fresh mint leaves. Doesn't it look gorgeous?
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do give this recipe a try and share your feedback with us in the comment section. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. I will be back with yet another healthy and delicious creation from my kitchen. Until then, stay safe and eat right. And keep watching Poonam's Annapurna Kitchen.